Hey guys, welcome back to Chef Development, and today we're going to be trying something new for Chef Development, and that is one pan wonders. One recipe, one pan, and that is it. And we're going to start off with something very simple, an apple, pear and blackberry crumble, all made in one pan. You can make this crumble with any fruit that you like, but for me, nothing beats the smell of a piping hot autumnal fruits with a hint of cinnamon and rich buttery crumble filling the kitchen. So with a huge dollop of vanilla ice cream or a generous pouring of thick custard, I challenge anyone not to be instantly transported back to their childhood when eating this crumble. Now, I know it doesn't need to be made in a pan. If you have an unfruit dish in your kitchen, use that instead. But this is one pan wonders. I think it looks quite cool. So let's get down to business. So for this crumble filling, you're going to need 2 apples, 2 pears, 200 grams of blackberries, 1 lemon, 25 grams of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and quarter teaspoon of ground cloves. For the crumble topping, you need 75 grams of unsalted butter, 25 grams of flour, 50 grams of ground almonds, 50 grams of light brown sugar, 50 grams of flaked almonds and 50 grams of oats. To start our fruit filling, what we're going to do is we're going to peel our apples and our pears and making sure to remove all the skin. Then once all the skin's removed, then you're just going to top and tail the pears just to make it a little bit easier for you to cut them, and you're going to cut them down into halves, into quarters, and then start removing the core. Cutting at a slight angle to remove the seeds and the fibrous core from the pear. You can repeat this process with the apples as well, cutting in half, in quarters, and removing the core in the exact same way. Then you're going to cut the fruit into large chunks. I normally aim for 2 centimetre pieces, but you're not running a Michelin star restaurant, so it doesn't really matter. A little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, it's not really going to hurt. Then once all the fruit's been chopped, straight into a pan along with your blackberries, your light brown sugar, your ground spices, and the zest of a lemon and the juice of half a lemon. Then using your hands or a spoon, mix all of the fruit together really well. You just want to make sure you get a really nice coating of that sugar and those spices all over that fruit nice and evenly. Any fruit that falls out, just put it straight back in again. Keep mixing until you feel that you've got a nice even coating of sugar and spices all over your fruit. Once everything's mixed together, put the fruit to one side, ready to make your crumble topping. Now to make the crumble, all you're going to do is put all those dried ingredients into a bowl. So the oats, the ground almonds, the light brown sugar, the flour, the flaked almonds, and then finally our unsalted butter. Then we're going to get hands in the bowl and start rubbing these ingredients together with our fingers. So keep rubbing, making this money symbol with your hands with the ingredients inside until all the butter has been mixed with the other ingredients and there's no lumps of butter left and the mixture resembles rough breadcrumbs, a little bit like this. Once your crumble mixture is ready, sprinkle it evenly over the top of the fruit to cover everything completely. Once the fruit is completely covered with the crumble, it's ready to go in the oven. Bake the crumble in the oven at 180 degrees for about 45 minutes until the crumble topping is rich and golden brown and the fruit's just starting to bubble through. Now the agonising wait is over, it's time to serve this crumble. There cannot be a better combination than these fruits. So if you like this crumble recipe, let me know by giving me a thumbs up down below. Or if you're new here and you like what you see, why not hit the subscribe button instead? That's it from me for now. I'm gonna finish this crumble and I'll see you next time.